Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in Miami, Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Equinox all-wheel drive RS. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Let's start out with the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing shape, really nice, beautiful condition. It's got a tiny little scratch right there. Tiny little scratch right there. Nothing major. Bumper's in beautiful shape, looks good. Grill's in beautiful condition. Hood's in outstanding shape, no marks or anything to show there. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. It's got a small little dent right here. Can't really see it that well, but there's a small dent right there. Besides that, looks good. And there's another small little dent right here. Nothing major there besides that. Taking a look at the front door, driver's side, amazing condition. Don't see any marks or anything on there. Glass, molding looks good. Everything's really nice. Take a look at the rear door, driver's side, beautiful condition. Molding also and glass is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the corner panel, driver's side rear, amazing condition. Really nice. Take a look at those lights in the back. Beautiful shape. Rear bumpers in beautiful conditions. Got rear parking sensors and front parking sensors. Really nice condition. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape also. No marks or anything on the glass. Looks good. Take a look at the rear quarter panel on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in amazing condition. Very nice. Moldings and glass, all in beautiful shape. Front door, moldings and glass in beautiful shape. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the glass. Glass is in beautiful shape, no chip marks. Super clean. The roof looks good. Let's give it a quick walk around here. Really nice condition. Outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Look at the controllers. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Really nice looking. Door panel looks amazing. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Control for the rear hatch. Driver seats in beautiful shape. Look at the controls there. Really nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Has a little crack here on this thing here. Little plastic crack there. Floor mats. Dashboard looks good. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Take a look at the armrest. Amazing condition there. Looks very nice. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Really nice. With floor mats all the way through, rubber floor mats. Looks amazing. Okay, now we're doing the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition, super clean. Look at the armrest, very nice. Outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. It's got the leather and it's got like an insert, it's cloth. Looks super nice. Full set of floor mats, amazing. It's got a little armrest there for the rear passengers with cup holders. You could put that up. USB connections there for the rear passengers. Really nice. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Really nice condition. Look at that armrest there. Controls for the power window and locks. It's got a little bit of storage down there, really nice. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Amazing condition. This one is manual. It's in great shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Very nice condition. Okay, we're all set. Test drive this 23 Equinox RS. Look at that, RS model. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put it in drive. Here we go. Now this one's really nice. It has parking sensors in the front and the rear. Look at that. So when you get too close to something, it actually turns them on. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Really nice. Feels super smooth. It's got 19-inch wheels on this one. I guess because of the package. Drives really nice. Super smooth. Brakes feel good. Coming to a stop sign here. Yeah, really nice. It's pretty quick. Suspension is super soft, feels good. It's a really nice drive, super smooth. Very nice. This one's nice. It tells you miles till empty. If you scan through the stuff, it also gives you the tire pressure of each tire. It's a really nice feature. Drives amazing. Super quick. Fantastic. All right, well, that's going to conclude our drive around here. But let's go ahead and show you the backup camera on this one. A second, let's find a little space here to park. And we could take a look at those sensors, how they operate. Okay, so let's just say here, we pull up. Those front sensors should pop right up on the screen here. We're getting close to that wall there. You can see there. And then if we put it in reverse, it gives us the backup camera. And then we can turn here. As you're turning, it shows you which way the car is going to roll, which is super nice. And then it does have those sensors also in the back. So it shows up on your little screen there. It shows you you're getting close to something there. And then it shows up there. See that? Amazing. So we're going to go ahead and test out the rear ones again. Now we'll back it up here. You can see them come up on the screen. There you go. There you go. See here? It shows you you're getting too close to something in the back. And the closer you get, the more it beeps. And then it shows you here a little triangle letting you know to be careful. Look at that. Amazing. Okay. So that's pretty much our test drive here. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the engine compartment. Okay, we're sitting inside this Equinox. I have the key fob right here. Look at that. Really nice. Lock unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so we're just gonna set the key down here. This is a push button start. So I can just press the brake down there, push the button, it should start right up. Now these GMs are really great. They all check the gauges. See how the needles go up and down? Perfect. Okay, this one here has 6,724 miles. It's a really nice package. It's got a lot of extras on this one. Okay, so let's take a look here. These are the controls for the, if you want to set up the collision alert there. It also has the cruise control there. This is for the lane assist here. Lets you know when you're leaving the lane or whatever. That's fantastic. This is controls for the information center here on top. You can scan through it or whatever. It gives you the mileage, all that stuff. The tires. Beautiful. Okay, we'll leave it on miles per hour for now. This for the lights. Control for the wipers, front and rear. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Automatic lights. Automatic transmission. All-wheel drive button. Parking sensors. Really nice. This is the parking brake right here. Radio's in beautiful condition. Touch screen, of course. We're in the home page right there. So you can set up your audio, your phone. We'll go back there again. Audio. That's what audio looks like. Wi-Fi. Super cool. Settings. You can go through those if you'd like. Fantastic. Go back to home again. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar. And that's the page for the radio again. Fantastic. Okay, so this one does have climate control. That means you can set 2 different temperatures on this one. You can see there. And then it shows up here on the top of the screen also when you move those things. This one has heated seats on both sides here in the front. Rear defrost, sync. Fantastic. Down below here you have USBs here, auxiliary, power supply. Really nice storage here. It's got a little light inside there. Fantastic. Beautiful. Dashboard looks amazing. Brand new. Look at that. Amazing condition. Up above here you have your storage of your glasses. Courtesy lights here. 1 and 2. Lets you know when the passenger seat has the airbag on. OnStar, the SOS. The lighting controls. Vanity mirrors with lights on both sides. Really nice. Beautiful condition. It's got this really nice little red stitching here all over the vehicle. Looks amazing. Okay, that's pretty much it. Steering wheel's in brand new condition. Take a close look here. It also has that stitching here. Looks beautiful. That's pretty much it. Really an outstanding shape. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a test drive. Okay, we're going to test out the rear hatch. We're going to go open up. It's got a little button there you press, or you can use the remote for it. Opens up perfect. Really nice. Amazing condition. It's got storage down here. A little storage there if you can hide your stuff. Beneath that, you got your spare tire, jack, and all the tools. Really nice. This one has a little feature here. You can actually pull these things here to lower their seats. So we'll go ahead and pull one, pull the other. Works amazing. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and close it. You can use your remote, or you can press this button here. There you go. Works perfect. No issues at all. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Beautiful condition. Take a quick look here. Looks amazing. Super clean, all original. Really an outstanding shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Driver's side tire. Tire looks amazing. Really nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. There's a 19-inch rim. Really nice. I guess it comes with the package of the RS. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tires in beautiful condition, brand new. Look at that, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a closer look here. Very nice. Beautiful wheels on this one. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in nice shape, looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a closer look. Really amazing condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Tires in brand new shape. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Well, that's going to complete our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS all-wheel drive model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. And for more information, visit our website at greatusedauto.com. Thanks for watching.